Want to view your full YouTube wrap for 2025? Here's the fastest way to access your recap right now. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to find your official recap and how to see all your top channels, stats, and insights. Open to YouTube app, tap on your profile picture, then go to the section called Your Recap. You'll see your official graph for 2025 right there. If it doesn't show inside the app, go to the recap page from your browser, use sync, and it loads your personalized stats instantly. Once inside your recap, scroll across your cards. You'll see top channels, total watch time, favorite categories, and even your viewing personality. You can also share your recap on social media with the share button. It creates a cool template automatically. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to access your YouTube Wrap 2025. Who was your top creator this year? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.